Hi, thank you for checking out Outer Rim 3D kit card assembly. This is our Mandalorian's Razor Crest. We do sell these on our website. These are the kit cards and put together. This is our Halloween orange with the green tip to be the stem. First thing you got to do is carefully remove the stuff from the kit card. I'm just using the little pliers that actually came with one of our printers here. And you just carefully trim these out. I'll speed up the rest of this video. You can slow it down if you like on your end, but we're just going to cut these out here, then work on assembly. I'll trim these pieces up later and I'll show you those after we get them all out of here and done. Alright, we have all of our pieces cut out, and now we'll begin the assembly part, which is... Alright, we're going to assemble our Razor Crest kit card. We've already gotten all of our pieces out. There's many ways you can assemble this. There's really no right way or wrong way, as long as it comes together. I like to start with the main part of the body, and make sure that the outside part, you'll have an inside smooth piece and a textured pieces to the outside. Just kind of line up, snap in, textured side to the out. Then I like to put the nose piece in, and that kind of secures all these little pieces. Oh, actually, just putting them in Yep, he was right side up. So tight fit. That way they stay nice and snug. Then the engine pieces, I prefer to put the textured side out instead of the smooth side. So when you have him on here, when you look at it from the outside, it looks like the engine there. And the other engine onto the other side. And that is our finished Razor Crest. Our Halloween edition, we use the green to emulate the stem of a pumpkin. We will have these with the tips painted green, the gun assemblies painted green, and we will have some on our site in just the Halloween orange or orange colored. You can use the same video for all of our different little Razor Crest assemblies. We just happen to pick the Halloween edition for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like us and check out outerrim3d.com. Thanks everyone for watching.